Asphalt preparation is one of the most important pieces of asphalt maintenance. You want to make sure that you prep the whole surface so that you're able to provide crack filling and seal coating solutions. Part of the process is edging. You want to make sure to use an edging tool to be able to cut the edges of the grass back on the edge of the parking lots or driveways so that you can fully expose the surface for seal coating. Great thing is, at asphaltkingdom.com, we have edging machines that actually do it in a push type way. You can literally clean the edges of the surface at walking speed. We carry all of the right edging equipment. We carry Little Wonder edgers. We also carry Billy Goat and Land Shark. So if you're looking for edging machines at Asphalt Kingdom, you'll find exactly what you need, and we cannot wait to speak with you. 866-399-5562.